Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the import button. Remove the background, select the orange color. Adjust the shape. Copy the shape. Adjust the shape. Then select the text. Edit. Select a shape. Adjust the shape. Select the size. Select the save. Adjust the save confirmation. Then change the color. Adjust the color of shape. Select the text. Edit. Turn image. Change the color of background. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.